Wandering hard on a crazy ride, an open road and a deep blue sky. Feeling calm.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
We are filming part two of our series. I'm not sure what you're doing. What's going on?
Why is the lotion not dissolving?
I'm not sure. Anyways, today we're filming part two of our series, where to get the best Instagram shots, time lapses, all that sort of stuff in Dubai. Location number two, we're on our
My hair is
location number two, we're on our way there now. Check this out, it's gonna be super cool. This place is really cool. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we've just arrived at our location now and we are at a place called the Dubai Creek Harbour. We're about to get some epic shots in. Just the two tips or two rules for this series. Let's start. Gonna get some epic footage with Kathy Reed DXB.
All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new pair of shoes. I got the attention. I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step. I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, my, my. Oh my, my, my. Call me a king. You can buy me a crown. Oh my, my, my. Oh my.
Alright guys, and that's a
Wrap.
hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.
Subscribe to Justin Crazy.